Tired of spending weeks researching products only to watch others launch before you? Meet ScalePilot, the AI-powered Amazon research tool that uncovers profitable opportunities in minutes. In this video, you'll see how ScalePilot and its ListPilot Optimizer help sellers find hidden gems, reduce risk, and scale faster than ever. Finding profitable products is tough. Most sellers waste hours guessing what to sell, launch saturated items, and lose thousands in bad inventory. By the time you find a good niche, 50 other sellers are already there. ScalePilot changes that. It analyzes Amazon's Product Opportunity Explorer data with AI trained on millions of listings to pinpoint high-demand, low-competition products. Whether you sell in the US, UK, or globally, ScalePilot delivers insights in seconds. With hidden gems, get AI scores from 1 to 10 based on 30 plus data points. Search trends, pricing, competition to reveal products others miss. Enter any ASIN and instantly see profit score, saturation, and AI-driven differentiation ideas. With trending opportunities, you can spot fast-rising niches before they explode. With the Listing Optimizer, connect your account to get content, SEO, and image scores for every listing that you have. Then let AI rewrite titles and bullets that convert. It also has A/B testing, image generation, title optimization, keyword optimization, and bullet point optimization. With the A/B testing dashboard, run real tests on listings and measure CTR, conversions, and revenue lift. No guesswork. Analyze ASINs, explore niches, predict success, and calculate margins all inside one platform, ScalePilot. Imagine cutting 40 hours of manual research down to 30 minutes. Launch confidently, backed by AI insights and real data. Optimize listings with proof, not intuition. That's the ScalePilot transformation. Data-driven, faster growth, smarter launches. ScalePilot is built for new sellers finding their first winner, seasoned sellers scaling portfolios, agencies managing multiple brands, and VAs running research for clients. Other services cost $300 plus a month, or thousands for analysts. ScalePilot delivers enterprise-level intelligence at a fraction of that. Just one winning product can pay for years of your subscription. Every day you wait, your competition gets ahead. Click the Get Started button and see hidden opportunities within minutes. Sign up through your affiliate link and get exclusive bonuses like private onboarding. Don't research the old way. Find your next six-figure product with ScalePilot today.